You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals -16. Let's solve it step by step. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract m from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is m equals -16.